Hi, I'm Rebecca Emert. I am the criminal defense attorney here at Mowrey Law Firm. I was actually taking a mock trial class in undergrad. I had no desire to go to law school, and then I took this class and fell in love with public speaking, and actually one of the professors put the idea in my head and said that they thought I would be really good as an attorney. So then I minored in written and oral communication and really just fell in love with public speaking and became passionate about the criminal justice system. When I was in law school, I participated in a clinic that did half of the year coursework, and then the other half of the year you were plugged in either at the state attorney's office or at the public defender's office, and we actually got a chance to handle criminal cases, and I just fell in love with the courtroom, and it got in my blood, and I have just been unwilling to give it up. So my educational background, I was born and raised here in St. Augustine, went to high school here. I left and went to undergrad at the University of Florida, and then I went to law school at Florida State, but I'm a diehard Gator still. My work experience right out of law school, I went to the state attorney's office where I spent 10 years prosecuting cases all the way from misdemeanors to capital felonies. It's a very lighthearted rivalry. Actually, Dan played at Florida State University, so he's obviously very diehard for Florida State, and I bleed orange and blue. There's some friendly banter back and forth, but I always tend to remind him that one of his daughters graduated from the University of Florida, so I have a leg up there. It's direct and it's honest. I think it's important from the beginning to establish trust, to let them know that you're gonna listen to them, you're gonna work tirelessly for them, and that your job is to give them the truth no matter what. That when you hire an attorney, you're not hiring an attorney just to tell you what you wanna hear. They need to know that there are pros and cons to any situation and that you trust them to guide you through the process. To be heard. We will listen intently about the facts and circumstances of their case. We will give them as much information as possible. We're very honest and open, and we establish trust from day one. At Mowrey Law Firm, you're never just a number. We are local attorneys. We're committed to our clients. We have an intimate connection with them. When you call, you actually speak with an attorney, and you are welcomed in as part of the team. There are multiple attorneys that will staff your case. We all work together to figure out the best possible legal strategy. We keep you involved and informed every step of the way. 3 minds are better than one. You will have a lead attorney that is assigned to your case, but we have weekly meetings where we staff every single case in our office. And all of the attorneys, as well as the support staff, the paralegals, they all give input. We all bring different ideas, different knowledge to the table, and we work collectively to determine the best course of action and to analyze cases and to achieve the best possible results. Through my faith, my family, my friends, and the gym. Most importantly is my faith. Without that, I wouldn't be who I am today or where I am today. I'm very blessed with an amazing, very large family that's mostly local. Have a great group of friends, and then I go to the gym after work and kind of unwind and blow off some steam. So those are the things that really keep me going. Florida's legal system is very complex, and it's very overwhelming and hard for people outside of the system to understand. It never hurts to seek a consultation with a professional. Just because you consult with an attorney doesn't mean you are locked into retaining that attorney, but the more knowledge you have, the better equipped you are to handle any situation that you're facing. If I hadn't become a lawyer, I would probably be running an equine therapy center for mentally and physically handicapped children. When you're ready to move forward, give me a call here at Mowrey Law Firm.